Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem, the Windows 11 getting stuck on the restarting. There can be several causes behind this issue, and understanding them is crucial for resolving the problem effectively. One possible cause could be the software conflict or a glitch that disrupts the restart process. Certain application or drivers might not respond correctly, causing the system to hang during the restart sequence. So you have to just press Windows key plus X key together and press the shutdown button. So it will just fix the issue, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Please check out the pinned comment.